Hello, and welcome to our newly redesigned website. We are excited to showcase a lot of new features that we hope will improve your experience to help find our products and information. Our main goal for this new site is to help ease the process of finding solutions for your challenges. There's so much that Times Microwave Systems can do, and our site only shows a fraction of what we offer. But we hope that these videos will help you navigate the site easier and understand what we do and what we're all about. Our new site has a new look and feel. It has larger icons to help find things as easy as possible and has an updated, more modern look to it. Today, we are going to focus on the main menu. The main menu is divided into different categories: products, markets, applications, and resources. We also have our attenuation calculator located at the top of our menu, but we will dive deeper into that in another video. The products category is subdivided into smaller categories: cables and assemblies, connectors, test and measurement products, tools and accessories, and lightning protection and grounding. If you hover over cable and assemblies, you will notice that we have broken it down by product family, such as LMR, TCOM, FBT, spaceflight, SiO2, and many more. The same is for our connectors. We have it broken down by product family based on market or application, like microwave connectors, low PIM, high power, bundled solutions, and many more. Our other features on our main menu include markets, where we highlight all the markets that we support. There are a lot of markets, but these are the key ones that we support. And this is a great area to learn more about the challenges and other pieces of information within these markets. The Applications tab are really the challenges that we solve. These are the most common challenges that we come across, and there are a lot of unique challenges that our engineers will work closely with our customers to help find them the solutions that they need. Our Resources tab will give you access to our distributors, literature, quality assurance documentation, video library, webinars, and more. We hope this new site enhances your experience and that these videos will help provide a better understanding and help navigate the site.